Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. You know, sometimes you just want a damn good burger. That's what we're going to do today. So, short and sweet episode, simple but delicious. Now, a constituent of a great burger, you got to have a good sauce, right? So, we're going to take care of that first. As always, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down in the description block. So check it out. I'm going to take here about a 1/4 cup of mayo. We love the Kewpie. With that, 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. Got to have a little fire. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm using the stone ground kind because we like it crunchy. You also need a little salt and pepper. You can use regular salt and pepper. That's not how we roll. I have here some Jacobsen Salt Company black garlic salt. That's going in. I'd say about a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe more. And then for the pepper, I'm using this Trader Joe's South African smoke. I'm going to mix all that up, chuck it in the refrigerator, and let it set up as we get to making our ButterBurgers. Oh, hells yeah. If you're having burgers, you gotta have ground cow, right? So we're using our aged ground cow that we make ourselves. Did a video on it earlier. You can use regular if you want. I like the flavor, so I like about 80-20. 2 pounds of that. With that is gonna go about 1/3 of a cup of beef broth. We love the better than bouillon. Then your favorite burger seasoning. Today we're going with Cattleman's Grill Roadhouse Steak and Beef Rub. This stuff's amazing. Get it from All Things Barbecue out of Wichita, Kansas, atbbq.com. Gonna put about 2 tablespoons in here. Get all that mixed up. It is smelling freaking amazing. Now I'm gonna get that divided. Tonight we're making, we got 5 people, so we're making 5 burgers. You can divide this into 6. I wouldn't go much more. If you're gonna add more cow. Do your best to get them the same size. They always must be larger than the bun you're using. So since this is a ButterBurger and it's got that beef broth in it, it's gonna be juicy. I wanted something sturdy, so we're using ciabatta buns today. Brioche is my normal go-to, but to me it's just too soft for this big monster. Once you're happy with how your balls look, come on, some of you are juvenile, some of you served with me in the Navy. But anyway, once you're happy with that, I have 5 tablespoons of butter here that I cut up earlier and chucked in the freezer. We're going to wrap the meat around these and make the patties so it's in the middle. Make a little well, chuck in your butter, form the meat around it in a patty shape, which is larger than your bun. Alrighty, I'm happy with those patties. I'm gonna chuck them in the refrigerator. We're gonna go get the fire ready. We'll see you out at the grill. Alrighty, got coals on one side of the Dynaglow grill here. I've got it all the way down. Now we're gonna get our burgers on there and get them cooking. Alrighty, we've given them 5 minutes on one side. Let's give them the flip. Ah, looking good. Don't have a bunch of flare-ups. That means our butter's staying in there. That's good. All right, got them in. Let's get one of these bad boys constructed and get some judgment from a very attractive judge. Oh, got to test the sauce. Got some tater tots. Okay, good amount of sauce down, and then we'll get some onion on there. Actually, a little lettuce first to provide a barrier. Some red onion, heirloom tomato. To me, that's the best tomato for a burger. Get our burger on there. Get it topped. Now let's get some judgment.
All right. Let me have a little piece of. Oh my gosh, that's juicy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. That's a juicy burger.
Got about a tablespoon of butter in the middle, so should be.
And it's perfectly done. Because you don't want your burgers too red. Outside of the onion falling off, it's really good. Super juicy. Yes, I do agree with the ciabatta burger or the ciabatta bun because this is too wet of a burger to have on a softer bun.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Can you taste the butter at all? Or does it just give it more flavor and juice?
More flavor and juice. I don't really taste a whole lot of butter, but it does make the burger really succulent.
Succulent. All right, hey, there you go. Sometimes you just want a burger, but you don't want to do a regular burger, so you throw some butter in it. So I hope you like what you saw today. Leave us a comment. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.